In this video, we will show you how to assemble your Greenworks pressure washer. We have featured one of our 3000 PSI models. However, this guide can be followed for all pressure washers, 2500 PSI and up. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Tools required: you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with any packing material and unassembled parts. There is a nozzle cleaning tool in the bag with the manual. Carefully lift the pressure washer out of the box and set it down. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product and confirmed it works properly. Installing the upper panel. Align the screw sleeves of the upper panel with the screw holes on the handle frame. Install 2 of the supplied coarse-threaded screws through each of the holes on the side of the pre-installed hose hook. Leave the opposite side unfastened. Tighten each screw using a Phillips screwdriver. Installing the gun holder. Align the holes of the spray gun holder with the screw holes on the upper panel. Install the 2 remaining coarse-threaded screws and tighten them with a Phillips screwdriver. Installing the power cord storage arms. Align the cord arm basement with the threaded insert on one side of the lower handle. Place the power cord storage arm onto the base facing upward. With the washer on, thread the screw through the cord arm assembly and tighten it with a Phillips head screwdriver. Repeat this process on the other side. Installing the upper handle. Align the holes on the upper handle and lower handles. Insert the handle bolts and tighten the knobs to secure them. Wrap the cord around the power cord storage arms. Hang the hose on the hose storage hook. Pull the elastic hose retainer over the hose and secure it on the hook. Installing the wand. Push the threaded side of the wand into the end of the spray gun and screw it on until secure. Place the gun into the gun holder. Turbo nozzle. Unpack the turbo nozzle and install it in the remaining rubber grommet on the upper panel. For videos on how to maintain and operate your pressure washer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks pressure washer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.